just got back from Whole Foods. Let's do a quick grocery haul. Okay, so on top, the way they packed this was my berries. So I got some blackberries and wild blueberries. And I'm gonna be using these berries for my oatmeal smoothies. And did you know that science shows that eating antioxidants every day can help out with skin health? So what scientists have seen is that when people had antioxidant-rich diets, like with these berries right here, they experienced way less photoaging and skin aging compared to people who didn't have antioxidant-rich foods. Okay, enough about that. I also got some bananas for my oatmeal smoothie, and I go through one of these once a week. It's gonna be some oatmeal. And another thing that I go through pretty fast is gonna be goji berries. So the reason why I love goji berries is because they're so vitamin A rich and antioxidant rich. And vitamin A is so good for skin health and eye health. Then I also have whole flax seeds that I'm gonna be using my oatmeal smoothie this week, and also some walnuts. And I also have some mayo because I'm gonna be using this for honey walnut mushrooms. I'll share that recipe with you if you're interested. And for that honey mushroom walnut recipe, of course, I got some mushrooms. I got oyster mushrooms this time around, and I got a lime for it as well. And I honestly go through coffee pretty fast, so I get one of these every week. It's gonna be some ground coffee. And y'all know me, I love sparkling water, so I got one of these sparkling waters. So the grand total for groceries this week is $69.49. What are you guys' thoughts? Pretty expensive or not? Let me know down below.